The city of Ahmedabad has long been considered a touchstone for development and administrative innovations, an example for other cities across the country to follow. E-governance and holistic IT solutions to provide ease of service have always been on its radar. In a bid to eliminate discretionary human interface and reduce the decision-making process time, the year 2002 saw the introduction of e-governance by the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, through a portal designed to act as a one-stop shop for providing multiple services to the people. Tying up with Microtech Systems for e-governance solutions, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation purchased hardware worth ₹2 crores to begin the portal. Now, this scheme operates through 26 civic centers spread out across all 6 zones of the city.
વારમાં કશું વાર ના લાગે સાહેબ. આજે ધારો કે 7 બાર અમારે લેવી હોય તો અમે અમારો બ્લોક નંબર એમને નોંધાવીએ એટલે પછી ડાયરેક્ટ ત્યાંથી કોમ્પ્યુટરથી અંગૂઠો આપીને તો ત્યાંથી અમને અહીંયાથી કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં નકલ મળી જાય. આ નહોતું તાર તો અમારે છેક બોપલ પગ ઘસેડીને જવું પડતું હતું. તકલીફ તો ધારો કે ઉંમરલાયક હોય સિનિયર સિટીઝન એ લોકો ત્યાં જઈ શકે નહીં, બરાબર. એટલે બિલ ભરવામાં લેટ થાય. બિલ ભરવામાં લેટ થાય એટલે બિચારાને દંડ આવે અને દંડે ના ભરી શકે તો વીજળીના બિલો ના ભરાય તો લાઇટ કાપી જાય એટલે અંધારામાં રહેવું પડે. ત્યાં વાર લાગતી હતી. આ એ જરા ગ્રામ યોજના થઈ પછી તો બહુ સેફ થઈ ગયું. બદલાવમાં તો અત્યારે આમ બહુ ઝડપી આમ કોમ્પ્યુટર રીતે આમ જે વિકાસ થઈ રહ્યો છે એ ઝડપી વિકાસ કોમ્પ્યુટરના હિસાબે થવા માંડ્યો. આ ગામમાં અમારા બાળકો છે બધાનામાં આના હિસાબે સારું એવું પરિવર્તન આવ્યું છે. એમને બી જાણવા મળ્યું કે આ યોજનાઓ થવાથી એમ કે ગામ અભણ માણસોને પણ આનાથી સારી સુવિધાઓ મળે છે.
Gujarat Informatics Limited is the nodal agency that is facilitating the adoption of e-governance across the state. And as a result of its expertise, this particular scheme has successfully encompassed several areas of service often left ignored.
Like, I'll give you a simple example of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. For taking a building plan permission or for taking even their birth and death certificate, people were waiting for 2 days, 3 days, even for plan permission, sometimes 6 months also. So government thought about the processes which will simplify the service delivery at citizen face. Now service delivery will happen if something at back end also happens. So like I was giving the example of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. Starting from 1935, they have digitized all birth and death records. So today anybody goes to any civic center of municipal corporation, easily they get a laminated birth certificate, either in Gujarati or in English, whatever they want, in 10 minutes. So the role of GIL is facilitating e-governance, accelerating e-governance, supporting e-governance through various policy implementation and helping the government in implementing new policies like security policy, asset management. Government of India has also come out with a plan called crisis management plan. So we are supposed to implement in the defined sectors. So we will facilitate these activities.
This ambitious scheme has brought a host of other services under its umbrella, from property tax payment and inquiries to booking halls for marriages. The homepage itself, in addition to these services, provides an introduction to Ahmedabad and information about the inner mechanisms of the municipal corporation. But running this mammoth system at 26 different civic centers and a large number of computers across the city is a challenge indeed. Having recognized this, the authorities have ensured that sufficient backup is provided to keep the machinery running smoothly.
We have 26 centers as present. They are all connected to 2 Mbps lease line. Last year, when October was abolished, there are 120 lease line. You can see it's a managed area network. It's a wide area network. It's the biggest network. There are 1500 computers, each employee user ID and password. So all the officials are with their login and users, and all the officers are on the same network. They will access the same portal. We have 80 lease line at present. So you can imagine all the 6 zones, all 55 wards, and all the offices, and individual all the officers, they are accessing the same portal at the time. If my system breaks down any point of time, they are not able to take, it's not the offline system that, so you can imagine the pressure on the administrative part. We have kept our centralized server in the Usmanpura. All the 80 lease lines, zonal offices, all the lines are terminating there. We are keeping the backup at the individual centers. Every 12 o'clock automatic backup is taken in the Sun server and at night. And remote places, we have kept the 2 disaster places, but the 3 civic centers, we are again keeping the backup. So 3 backup centers are created, so we are able to get the data from all the centers. So anytime, this is the things that we are keeping.
There is a separate section on the website for the people to register their complaints regarding both civic and technological problems. In addition to that, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has set up call centers to address the same problems, thus increasing the scope of the program.
ફોન કોલ આવે એટલે તરત જ અમે અમારી એક મેન્યુઅલ એક રજિસ્ટર મેન્ટેન કરેલું છે, એમાં કમ્પ્લેન લખાય છે અને કોમ્પ્યુટરાઇઝ પણ છે. એમાં આખો પ્રોગ્રામ બનેલો છે વીબી સોફ્ટ કંપની દ્વારા. એમાં જે પ્રોગ્રામમાં જે ડિટેલ છે એ બધી ફિલઅપ કરવામાં આવે છે. પબ્લિકની જે ફરિયાદ છે એને ફરિયાદની નંબર જે છે એક એસએમએસથી પબ્લિકને મળે છે અને એક એસએમએસ જે તે અધિકારીને એના પર એક્શન લેવાના છે એ અધિકારીને જાય છે એક એસએમએસ. આ રીતે આખી ફરિયાદનું એ લોકોનું સોલ્યુશન માટેનો આ ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ છે અમારો.
Due to the ease of service provided and the streamlining of various processes, the impact of the scheme has been visible everywhere. Not only has there been an increase in the number of people paying their taxes regularly, but also a major leap in the overall user base. Several awards, both national and international, have been bestowed on this initiative too. But the authorities don't seem to be content with resting on their achievements.
Today we are going for a better data center, we are going for a better modem, we are going for a better system. We are upgrading our system. We have just changed our all server and modem and everything a few months back because it was old and the efficiency was not very good. All together we are trying that this particular system should be interactive. Our Chief Minister has initiated another, you give 100 hours to the citizen portal, that in the this golden year of the Gujarat, every citizen he has requested every citizen that give 100 hours for society.
And in this whole process of increasing interaction between the government and the people, what's better than looking for advice and suggestions from the people themselves? Click the feedback button and every citizen can voice his concern, complain, or let his appreciation of the scheme be known. And if this project's record is anything to go by, one can rest assured that Ahmedabad shall keep on raising the bar as regards such schemes for other cities across the country.